Have you ever felt like your life is on repeat? You wake up, check your phone, rush through the day, feel tired, go to bed, and do it all over again. You are constantly shouting, "Look at me!" on social media, seeking validation, while inside, you feel stuck. Here is the brutal truth. You cannot change your life while you are busy performing for an audience that doesn't care. If you truly want to recognize yourself in 6 months, you don't need more motivation. You need to disappear. We call this the ghost mode protocol. It's not about running away, it's about disappearing from the noise so you can rebuild yourself in the shadows. And today, I'm going to show you how to execute this protocol to shock the world when you finally re-emerge. The first rule of ghost mode is simple, but it is the hardest to follow. Stop broadcasting your life. We live in a world where everyone is screaming for attention, but psychology tells us that the people who post the least are often the most secure because they value privacy over popularity. In ghost mode, you must kill the urge to announce your plans, because when you tell people, "I'm going to start a business," or "I'm going to get fit," your brain releases dopamine just for saying it, tricking you into feeling like you've already achieved it. In fact, the moment you speak, your probability of actually doing it drops significantly. So, for the next 6 months, practice strategic silence. No status updates, no "New Year, New Me" posts. Let people wonder where you went, and let them think you quit, because while they're busy posting, you will be busy building. Now that you are silent, what do? You enter the winter arc. This is the season where you use isolation as a weapon, and while the world is sleeping or complaining about the cold, you are awake. This phase isn't about motivation, it's about boring, repetitive consistency, because boring habits are what actually change your life. You're gonna lock in on the basics. Fix your wake-up time, because your brain loves rhythm. Spend the first hour of your day on your #1 goal before touching your phone, and embrace the boredom, because most people fail when they chase excitement, but you will win because you choose consistency over comfort. In this phase, you are planting seeds in the dark, where no one sees the roots growing. And that is exactly the point. You are not doing this for applause. You are doing this for proof to yourself. Here's the part nobody talks about. Ghost mode gets lonely. There will be days when you want to quit, call a friend to cry, or post a sad story to get sympathy, but you cannot do that. In ghost mode, you must handle your pain in the shadows alone, because facing your struggles without an audience builds a type of mental strength that motivation videos can't give you. Do not show your mid-transformation pictures or your bank balance growing slowly, because if you flex too early, your ego will return and you will fall back to square one. Let the old version of you die quietly and stop being the person who talks so you can start being the person who does. After 6 months of silence, something strange will happen. You'll re-emerge, but you won't feel the need to shout about it. Your results will speak so loudly that you won't have to say a word. And when people ask, "How did you do it?" or "Where were you?" you'll just smile, because you know the secret. You didn't change because of luck. You changed because you were willing to disappear and do the work that others were too afraid to do alone. 2026 is coming, so do not let another year slip by living the same life. Choose to disappear today so you can truly live tomorrow. If you're ready to enter ghost mode, comment "I choose to disappear" down below, because I want to see who's really serious. And if you want to feed your mind with the brutal truths that actually change lives, hit that subscribe button for Stick Soul, because we don't just watch content here, we evolve. Welcome to the shadows.